Mumbai. My Bollywood self has come out alive. Ambani's house right there. Guys, I'm broke. Send me some money. We are in the middle of water in the ocean. City of Dreams apparently. Bad day to join office back because it's my birthday. Also tomorrow. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog where we both get to explore new things. Currently I am in the Mopa airport of Goa. And where am I headed to? Drum rolls, Mumbai. It's the first time that I'll be visiting Mumbai and very excited. This was our plan to also, like, the major plan was to mainly visit the Siddhivinayak temple, which my mom really wanted to. Our flight has been delayed.
Yeah, by
1 hour.
No, more than 1 hour.
1.5 hours.
Yeah, this is your first time to Mumbai.
Yeah, my first time.
And that day I was calculating, this is my 54th time to Mumbai.
His 54th time, my first time. So there's a lot to explore. Heard so much about the city of dreams apparently.
Yeah,
the city that doesn't sleep.
By the way, your sister is very upset because you didn't mention her name because she wanted to visit the Siddhivinayak temple more than anyone else, and she isn't aware that she is being shot.
We were also given free food from Fisherman's Wharf.
For the delay.
The Mopa International Airport of Goa, I think, is probably the most beautiful and the best airport I have visited. It really looks like the Dubai airport. Very classy, very sophisticated, pretty good. Right, Bits?
Yeah, because it is comparatively, this one is a new airport. It was, I think it opened around 2016, so it's only 8 years.
Oh, okay.
So they have,
makes sense.
Yeah.
And also I think,
and it's huge.
It's huge. So we're finally in our Airbnb in Mumbai. This moment we are at Versova. It's on the 10th floor. Let me give you a quick room tour. As we enter, we have this huge living space. As you can see, we have put our luggages here. Wall right here. Posters of all my favorite movies. And as we enter, we have this room, which is the first room. Washroom right here. Next room, which is this one. The best part about this room is as we open this window, oh my god, we have this entire city view. Won't be able to show it to you right now, but there, like, I don't know if you can see it, but right there is the beach. So I think in the morning we'll be able to see that as well. My first time that I've put up in an Airbnb ever. I've never had this experience. I mean, on a trip, but this time we thought that let's kind of explore this aspect of traveling as well, since we are always like hunting for hotels, and also they kind of become expensive at one point of time. But this, we thought, let's not splurge more, let's try to keep it minimal, and hence the idea of an Airbnb. Today it is almost 2 AM I guess.
আমি কিন্তু গেস করেছিলাম যে এ কিন্তু সারপ্রাইজ দেবে।
ভাই ফারাহ খান আর রণবীর ছিল ওর ফ্লাইটে। What?
ও এসে আমাদের তো প্যাপসও নিল না, আমরা লোক।
Let's see how this entire trip goes. Mumbai has a whole different vibe. I'm gonna take you guys with me, so do stay tuned. I was talking about the view. This is the view right here, and along with that breakfast for the win. So we all just woke up. It's almost 11:30. We slept at around 4. We were pretty tired. Had a very late dinner also. It was raining very heavily last night. As you saw, we got a wonderful surprise by another sister of mine. It's gonna be a good trip, all in all. Currently having this vada pav. We'll leave it in around an hour. Get dressed and probably do the touristy things in Mumbai because it's my first time. So let's see how it goes.
I just wanna speed up. I don't wanna stop now. I just wanna keep moving forward.
जू यहाँ से कितना दूर है?
जो जिधर आपके उसके अंधेरी से निकले जब जो
अंदर के 3 किलोमीटर।
ओह अच्छा
जिधर अमिताभ बच्चन का
अच्छा जलसा
के उधर पीछे
सब जुहू में रहता है?
नहीं ज्यादातर उधर भी रहते हैं और फिर इधर भी रहते हैं मालाबार रेंज में रहते हैं
बैंड्रा भी में बहुत
बैंड्रा भी रहते हैं सलमान खान शाहरुख खान
OMG. Guys,
There's also a place called
we are
Pali
in
Hill, na, which
the
we
world of
were
Bollywood.
हाँ
I'm
Pali Hill
happy.
is also a posh area, right?
My Bollywood self has come out alive.
আমার ঋত্বিক রোশনকে খুঁজতে হবে কাল ইউটিউবে আমার নেই।
Guys, my sister is on the hunt for Hrithik Roshan. She thinks
I had called Duggu. He'll come to me.
my sister thinks she will probably meet him while walking on the road, maybe.
Manifesting.
Man, I don't think that manifestation works.
India's
But
ঋত্বিক রোশন খুব
I'm pretty sure only. That right there is Isha Ambani's house. Ambani's house right there, guys.
After your NX drive.
After 5 attempts, I finally spotted it. We are in the middle of water in the ocean. Yes. Apparently, this is a tunnel which goes through the middle of water. I mean,
নতুন বানিয়েছে এটা।
oh, it's new.
হ্যাঁ পুরোটা নতুন বানিয়েছে। সামনেটা দেখা কি বিউটিফুল।
Currently at Gateway of India, but we did not
No,
anticipate.
this is not Gateway of India. This is Maddox Square.
This is Maddox Square.
Where the theme is Gateway
if you're
of
from
India.
Kolkata, you'll get the reference. But yeah, oh god, yes. We did not anticipate this crowd on a Tuesday morning, afternoon. But it is what it is. The Gateway of India and also clicked a lot of pictures and now heading towards Kiani and Co. Apparently a very famous Parsi restaurant, so that's where we are headed to. It's almost 4:30. 4:30 apparently, and honestly our lunch has been like this for the past 1 week right now because in Goa we had the latest, I mean there was one day that we had our lunch at 8 PM also. I mean I don't think that is lunch, but look at the Mumbai sun. We are currently at Kiani and Co, where it serves Parsi food, and so far we've ordered just starters. Good. I mean very old Mumbai. I mean it's more than 100 years old restaurant, and too hungry, so I can't even talk at the moment, but good food.
Could this be reality?
मिलने के बाद सारी होगा।
And that is the madness of this particular house. No guesses, no points for guessing whose house. All along I wondered why people come and click pictures here, but here I am standing in front of the SRK's house, also wanting to click pictures because it's surreal to even believe that I'm breathing the same air as him, hopefully, if he's in India.
ছেলেমেয়েদের বয়স একটু বেশি।
কথা বলবো বলে আমি কথা বলছি পুরো টেবিল করে আরে তো ছুতে আছে।
আবার নিজের জুতো দুটো ক্লাস হাতে ছাতা
ছাতাটা একটু ঝুলছে পাশে ফেরি কালো জিনিসটা উঠে গেছে এটা নারকলের
এটা শুনেছেন?
Day 3 in Mumbai, and we finally did what we wanted to do, what we came here for, that is visit the Siddhivinayak temple. Kind of really had come solely for this purpose. We've done it. I did not really want to vlog inside, not really feel like vlogging. I just wanted to pray and you know, just soak in the positive, exactly, soak in the positivity. You know, now we are going to
Mahesh lunch home for
Which he's dying for.
yes, for the last 3 days.
So we did not have anything since morning because we wanted to first visit the temple and then maybe carry on with our day. Last day in, I mean, technically tomorrow half of the day we're getting, but we're also leaving Mumbai tomorrow. And as I speak to you, I'm also passing Mr. Ambani's house. Mr. Ambani's house. Not sure if I'm allowed there, but of course I'm not. But okay, so now we're all very hungry. Let's go for lunch and let's see how this day. There's literally no plan for this trip. We're just making everything on the spot, because who needs planning when you have people who have gone to Mumbai for 54 times. So yes, that's where we're headed to.
Give us a sense of direction. Give us a chance to be introspective. 'Cause I need to keep on going. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to be a forward thinker.
In Mahesh lunch home, and we have ordered for a lot of things, guys. I don't know if we're going to be able to finish it. Guys, I'm broke. Send me some money.
Give us a sense of direction. Give us a chance to be introspective. 'Cause I need to keep on going.
I think we have over-ordered, but the food, amazing. I mean, I just showed you the table. This is what the table looks like, and the food exotic.
I'm gonna lie down after a while. Rest and then start.
We had our dinner plans at some other place. We cancelled it right now because we know we won't be able to eat anything after this today. But this is an experience. And, I mean, apparently it's a heritage place.
সামনে জিনিস
Prawn, chicken, rice and biryani খাবো। তারপর একটু কিছু ওষুধ খাবো I think.
Done shopping from Kolaba. I had a great time shopping because I kind of bought the entire collab. I feel like everything starting from clothes to scrunchies to jewelries. Bought a few things for my friends. We are in Juhu. Look at us, tired.
Don't look at us.
The makeup is not there, but we are in Juhu, and this is the food stall that they have. And we just had the best pav bhaji I have ever had. Morning, Mumbai. I waited to say this for long in Mumbai. I don't want to leave this vacation. I don't want to end it, but we got to end it to start a new one. Saying bye-bye to that sea right there. Flight is at 5 p.m. So we still have time. It's 1. So we're gonna probably chill at some cafe. We wanted to go to Leopold, but I don't think we have that enough time. Also, we had biryani for breakfast today. Saying bye-bye to this Airbnb and this trip. Had a lovely stay, but the vlog doesn't end right now because I'm gonna catch you later. In our last and final destination of Mumbai called August Cafe. Also, it's my birthday tomorrow, so yes, today's my birthday eve, so we are going to leave Mumbai today. So that's it from the Mumbai vlog, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this trip as much as I did. Really needed this relaxation and this vacation for a long time now. Back to my city today and gear up for office from tomorrow. Pretty bad day to join office back because it's my birthday also tomorrow. But nevertheless, you gotta work to go to the next trip again. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you get notifications every time I post something new. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I go by the handle Pranjali Bose. It's all about the Goa and Mumbai series. Hope you really enjoyed it. I'll be back with more, so do stay tuned and hope you guys take care. Bye bye.